I think this is the beginning of the vlog.
Oh, Vlogmas 4?
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be a long one.
Good morning. Maybe we'll do like 5.
We could do like a separate video for Maine.
Yeah. Good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas. It's week 4.
Vlogmas is almost done.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of crazy.
We're gonna extend it a little.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. We're celebrating Christmas in Maine.
Mm-hmm. Safely do
Yeah,
not
I was
come at
gonna
us
say
in the
safely,
comments.
of course. But yeah, that'll be a separate video.
And right now we're... Any guesses where we're going? It's Sunday morning. I think I just said it was Saturday. It's Sunday morning. We're going to the farmer's market. And we will take you along with us and show you a haul.
And we're matching today.
Yeah, well, not completely accidentally. We did accidentally buy the exact same vintage trench coat. The odds are crazy that we did that.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're wearing them. And yeah, so follow along. Cheers! Rounding out our holiday shopping with some peppermint mochas from our favorite coffee shop. She's so cute. All right, this is the haul this week. Smaller than usual, but still super exciting. Of course, we got mushrooms. We always do. There's some lion's mane, some shiitake, some cinnamon caps, some queen oyster, some blue oyster. They look so good. Cannot wait to eat those. And then our favorite bread, oat and honey. This is like our favorite loaf ever. It's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, almost creamy on the inside. It's so good. And then a compagnon, which is like a sourdough, but instead of using sourdough culture, they use yeast, and it's a little bit softer, a little less crusty. And then some arugula, which is so exciting because we haven't seen arugula at the market in months. Some microgreens. They're just so colorful and beautiful. Some pink lady apples, a red onion, and a yellow onion. And then these 4 things are for gifting. We've got 2 bags of coffee from our favorite coffee shop. Like 2 like micro roasters that they carry there. And then some sauerkraut from the farmer's market. And some caramels, molasses ginger caramels. They're so good. They taste like gingerbread. They're amazing. So those 4 things are gifts, but all food related. So I figured I'd show you as well. But yep, there's the haul. Yeah, so yum. Okay, we are back from the farmer's market. I just showed you what... Trying again.
Words are hard.
Yeah. We are back from the farmer's market. I just showed you our haul, and now I'm going to wrap some presents, starting with, most importantly, this one. But yeah, I'm just gonna wrap some presents. So enjoy the time lapse that you are about to see. Liz is not helping me at all. She's just sitting on the couch reading an astrology book.
Excuse me.
She's so cute.
I'm just reading.
So those are wrapped, and now I just have this wine bottle and then this sauerkraut. And we were actually gifted some stuff, like some wine and cider and stuff in these bags ourselves. So I'm going to reuse what we have. We always hold on to holiday bags just because it's easy to reuse. Yeah, I'm not normally a red person, as you guys know, but we're reusing it. So I think that makes it cute. Okay, these are the finished gifts under our beautiful tree. I'm actually so pleased with how they came out. I think they're so cute. I just love the look of the brown paper with the twine and the greenery. And I have a feeling after doing this and having Liz just sit on the couch that I am going to be wrapping gifts for all of our children someday. Yes. Am I right?
Unless they want like a hodgepodge ball of presents.
You all saw her wrapping in
so bad.
Vlogmas 1. It's, you know, I mean, not that this is perfect. I didn't use any tape, so that made it difficult, but I think it looks pretty.
You didn't use any tape?
No tape. Yeah, I did zero waste.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, I wanted it to be plastic free so we could just dump it all in the compost when we're done.
Oh, so smart.
Yeah, but anyway, that's the wrapping. Hope you enjoyed watching that happen and whatever Christmassy music Liz puts in the background when she edits. Okay, so it is the evening of, it is Christmas Eve, and so it's Wednesday, right, Liz?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Wednesday. One of my favorite Christmas traditions is baking, specifically gingerbread, and then specifically gingerbread houses, and specifically mini gingerbread houses that can sit on the edge of your mug. I started doing this in like 2013. And I'm just, it's so cute and so whimsical and so fun. I do it almost every year, maybe like every other year at this point, but I haven't now for like 3 years. Since I've lived in Seattle, I haven't made them, but I'm truly obsessed with making them and they bring me so much joy. So I'm clocking out of my photo editing and shooting and work and all that stuff early on Christmas Eve today to last minute make some gingerbread, mini gingerbread houses that can sit on your mug. So I'm gonna vlog it. I might let Liz help me decorate. We'll see. Might not. But I think most of it's just gonna be sped up and just like gonna show you the process. But we will link the recipe and my tutorial down below from like 2013. So don't judge if it's like a little weird, because who wasn't a little weird in 2013? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, all right, let's get into it. Hello, good morning. It's Friday. So we finished baking the cookies last night, but we had too much pizza and wine and didn't vlog because we had too much wine. So I'm going to assemble the little mini gingerbread houses today and then decorate them. So follow along. All right, these are the baked gingerbreads. There's 3 different sized pieces, the front and back, the sides, and the roof. So now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble those. I'm going to make some simple icing using powdered sugar. I sifted it, which is why it looks so fluffy, and I'm just gonna add water to it, and then I'm gonna put it in this Ziploc bag. We try not to use Ziploc bags in this house, but we have them for travel and then for like making frosting and to use as a piping bag. You could definitely use piping bag as well, but this is what we have. We typically don't use Ziploc bags, and when we do, we try to reuse them a bunch of times, so don't at us about the Ziploc bag. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble these. Okay, these are the assembled gingerbread houses. I know they look a little messy now, but once I decorate them, they're gonna look so freaking cute. And then, yeah, I'll show you when I decorate them, and then I'll show you what they look like when they're on a mug. These are the final gingerbread houses. I love how they came out. I think they look so cute. There's some twinkle lights and some candles and windows and wreaths and snowmen and trees and icicles, and they're just so cute. Liz was unfortunately unable to help decorate this time because she was wrapping up work before she logs off for the holiday, but yes, here they are. So excited. The recipe will be linked down below. I'm gonna go ahead and eat one of these now.